Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change the format of an Excel document from XLSX to XLS. So if you're working between a newer and an older version of Microsoft Excel, you might have some compatibility problems. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually just change the format so you're going back to an older format file type. So if you're using Office 2016 and you're trying to go back to like an Office 2003 document or Office product, this tutorial will be for you. So I'm just going to start by going up and left clicking on the File tab at the top one time. Left click on Save As on the left, and then choose your location you want to save the file. I'm going to save it to my desktop. And now underneath Save As Type, the default should be XLSX if you're using Office 2013, 2016, I believe even 2010. And you want to click inside this drop-down box. And you want to go and select Excel 97 to 2003 workbook. So XLS. You want to left click on that one time. Left click on Save. And there you go, guys. So you might get a compatibility checker here. Just keep that in mind. So we're going to left click on Continue here. And it should be readable in earlier versions of Office now. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.